geez, it's been rainy all day. I don't know if my friends are coming over, including Harper. Oh well, you can't have friends over every day anyway. Yeah, it will also be rainy all night. I guess no one will come over, but that's okay. Or so I thought. Maybe someone is coming over. Wait, Harper?
Yep, I'm here.
Wow, I'm surprised you came. It's heavily raining.
Well, I can basically be with you no matter the condition.
Yeah, girl, willpower is key. I think you need to come inside. The storm is getting worse.
And fast. I love that there's a fireplace so we can keep warm from this cold and windy thunderstorm.
Yeah, but you might want to hang up your jacket.
Yeah, I know. I see the coat rack.
And I don't want you to get hot in that thing anyway.
Yeah, I don't. So, what should we do today?
I do have some games to play that are upstairs. You can come to my room and I'll show you.
Oh, that's nice.
You know, I thought the rain outside wouldn't let anybody come over.
Yeah, but a little H2O wouldn't really hurt.
Yeah, especially without an umbrella.
What are you talking about?
It's just satisfying to frolic around in the rain.
Why?
It's just fun. I obviously know that you can get soaked, but the feel of it is very satisfying to me.
I understand.
But really though, it's gloomy outside.
That was an understatement.
For sure.
Go, 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 go!
Ugh, what the heck was I just thinking about?
I think you were talking about the games.
Ah, there we go. The games I was about to show you. Let me go get them real quick.
I kinda see two figures outside.
Wait, are they who I think they are?
Stella!
Yes, finally! We made it! Open the friggin' door! Let us in right now!
Oh my gosh! Both of you get inside right now!
Why the frick did I forget my rain jacket?
Speak for yourself. I'm soaked and I'm freezing.
Why would you put yourself in that situation like that? Don't you both know it's heavily raining outside?
I was that stupid enough to forget my rain jacket when I knew it would be raining today. Somebody check my brain.
I was busy riding my horse today while hanging out with X-Man and I completely forgot that it was raining today. Thank goodness you have a fireplace, Stella, because I'm so cold.
Yeah, we so need to change, Caroline.
No doubt.
Stella, where's the bedroom and bathroom? Because I totally forgot your house layout.
I'll show you where they are, so that both of you follow me. What happened was very unsafe.
We know.
What was going on out there?
Both X-Man and Caroline were rushing back into my house without any rain jacket or other protection to keep from the rain, and due to that, they're cold and they have to change.
Well, that's a bit bad, but it's over now.
Yeah, I know it is. I just don't like how something like this happens to my best friends.
Yeah, I also hate when that happens to my best friends.
Hey guys, I'm back. Me and Caroline would be screwed if we didn't bring extra clothes.
It's great that you did.
Where's Caroline anyway?
She's chilling in the fireplace. She has yet to be completely warmed up from the coldness of the extremely heavy rain. I don't get cold as easily as she does.
Oh, okay. Hey, I have some computer games you can play along with a TV and a boombox to listen to music.
Oh, that's good. I hate sitting here and doing absolutely nothing. By the way, what's your internet and password for the computer?
My computer should be connected to my Wi-Fi already.
Oh, okay, that's good. I'll go ahead and go in there to play some games.
I might as well join him in there to watch TV.
Yeah, me too.
Who's trying to get in while I'm sleeping? Oh, hi.
Hey, Caroline. I only came here because you, along with some others, were in the same place together, and I didn't want to be left out.
Aww, how sweet. Anyway, go ahead and come in and I'll let the others know that you're here.
Okay.
Oh, I see you have Mia with you.
Yep, I'm here.
Well, Mia, you and Caroline can do whatever you want in here, as long as you don't make any mess or cause any other trouble.
Oh, everything will be okay in here.
Most certainly.
Are you freaking kidding me? What is wrong with the internet?
Whoa, what's wrong with X-Man?
Can you explain to me what was happening on your end?
I, without warning, got disconnected from the internet and now I can't get back in. Not even my freaking hotspot works.
Okay, we get it, but just chill out, because this is really not a big deal.
Jesus, girls, don't scare me like that. Especially you, Mia, because how did you get here?
Well, I just came here just because the other members of my group were in here.
Well, okay, but you three don't have to scare me like that when I'm not happy. You can obviously tell by my face.
Well, speaking of internet, me and Stella did get kicked off it when we were watching TV and we couldn't get back on.
Yeah, that's true.
It must be because the heavy rain is interfering with the network connection, and the lightning of the storm most likely struck the cell towers, causing internet problems.
Yeah, that could be the issue.
Or that.
No wonder why the internet isn't responding with anything.
That just scared me.
Yeah, I never expected a blackout.
I kinda knew that would happen.
Did any of you eat dinner already? It's about 6:30.
Yeah,
already
I
ate.
ate.
Oh, okay. I also ate before you came over.
Okay then.
And you know what? I'll be back in a minute.
Where the frick is she going?
She said she'll be back. It's not a big deal.
I was specifically asking where Stella's going, not when she'll be back. My God, you frickin' irritate me. You know what? I need some music. I'm getting pretty mad right now.
You indeed need some music.
Geez, Caroline, why is he fed up over a blackout?
I have no idea, Mia.
And of course this frickin' music box doesn't work. Good Lord, everything I need is out of commission and I have to waste precious time on this long night.
Okay, dude, you seriously need to relax. Like, take a chill pill.
Mia's certainly not wrong. It's totally okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine.
I'm sorry, girls, but I just have bad days in life, you know? And this is not an exception. Besides, what if you witness all of those bad things happening? You wouldn't like it, would you?
Yeah, that's true. But this effect should only last for one day, which isn't that long if you think about it.
Yeah, that's somewhat true. I just don't like having to do absolutely nothing. It's just boring.
Yeah, I also don't do much in my spare time.
Hold on, girls. Something's going on and I have to see what's happening. So are you frickin' playing in the rain?
Of course I am.
Get back here, girl! This is a thunderstorm, not a drizzle with light rain!
I know. I'm obviously in a rain jacket. Come join me outside.
I'm not frickin' joining you! Thunderstorms are frickin' dangerous, and we're in the middle of a blackout! You need to come inside right now!
Oh, stop being such a scaredy cat. It's actually pretty fun.
I said I'm not Okay, whatever, forget this. If something bad happens to you afterwards, then don't come crying to me. I'm not coming down there! I swear to God, I'm frickin' talking to a brick wall here.
What happened out there?
Stella had the bright idea to frolic around in the rain during this blackout. I get that she likes rain, but come on now.
Well, Stella did tell me that she likes hanging out in the rain a few minutes ago.
Yes, Harper, I know. But does Stella not know the boundaries of that? Like, seriously, I had to open the window and yell at her in the rain. I'm pretty sure all of you saw that happen.
Yeah, we did see all of that happen.
I am yelling at her as soon as she comes in.
No, don't do that. We'll take care of it.
Yeah, you're right. Scratch that. I'm just going in Stella's room and crying in the corner.
Okay, do whatever benefits you.
There, the rain jacket is back in its place. That was pretty refreshing.
Stella, we need to talk for a second.
Oh, what is it?
Not gonna lie, Stella, going out in the heavy rain during a blackout wasn't really the best idea, even with a rain jacket.
Yeah, I have to admit, it wasn't the best thing to do, but I just couldn't resist. I really like hanging out in the rain.
And honestly, X-Man did have a reason on why he yelled at you because he wanted to make sure you're safe.
Yeah, that's true. I just got carried away. I wanted X-Men to join me, but he insisted. He did have a reason to do so, though, as what I did wasn't the safest.
Well, we're glad you made up for that.
Oh, thank you. Let's go ahead and go back upstairs.
Yeah, let's.
You know, girls, X-Man seems to be right about this, as I'm getting pretty bored.
Same.
I mean, look at Caroline. She's passed out on the floor.
Yeah, we can see that. Speaking of X-Man, I wonder how he's doing.
Yeah, same. You can go ahead and check on him. And I'll see who's at the door.
Okay then. Hey, what's been going on with you lately?
Well, Harper, it's nothing much. But I have made a conclusion about all of this happening on this day.
What do you need to explain?
Well, you see, I have just realized that there is absolutely nothing we can do about this blackout situation. We will just have to cope with this for the night and possibly the next morning before everything goes back to normal at that point. Weather is unpredictable, so you never know what will happen in certain scenarios, and you just gotta get used to it. It is uncontrollable and irreversible.
Well, everything you said there is true, and I'm glad you reflected on your actions today.
Yeah, whatever. I did enough yelling and raging today.
Hey Harper, Bubba's here.
Oh, that's nice. Now we have the entire group in here. That makes me feel a little bit better.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, hey, Bubba.
I've been looking for you.
Really?
Yeah,
Well, now you found me.
I see that Stella's house has been blacked out.
Yeah, and it currently is. I'd rather not talk about it, though.
Oh, well, there's one more thing to do here.
What is it?
Wake up!
Oh my gosh!
Bubba, was that really necessary?
Jeez, what's happening?
No worries, it's just us.
Wait, Bubba? Where's Mia?
Oh, yeah, where is Mia?
Oh, she already left.
Oh man,
Aw.
I thought we had the entire group in here. That sucks.
Well, at least you have me, Bubba, and Stella.
Unfortunately for X-Man, I'm not spending the night here unlike him.
Me neither.
Oh no, I'm gonna be the only one with Harper and Stella soon.
I know, boo-hoo.
Don't be too sad. You have us, and we're your best friends.
Yeah, that's true. But you know, might as well enjoy this time while it lasts. You can't win them all anyway.